evolution. MEPA, that is Mechanical Electrical Plumbing Engineers Association, registered under Government F49530 Pune, started as a WhatsApp group by Mr. Om Prakash Kage on occasion of Engineers Day, 15th September 2014, and has today reached in more than 12 countries and has more than 550 plus members worldwide. Our strength: we have experienced management team and associates. We have vast industry network, latest technology adaptation, global presence, system and process driven, and continuous improvement. Our technical verticals: MEP services, HVAC, electrical, lighting, plumbing, fire protection, IBMS, lifts and elevators, renewable energy, AV services, acoustic, kitchen services. Core committee members: the management of MEPA consists of experts in construction industry with an experience of more than 20 years. Mr. Om Prakash Kage, President; Mr. Arun Dharam, Vice President; Mr. Azimuddin Ansari, Secretary; Mr. Sachin Gurubheti, Joint Secretary; Mr. Gangeshwar Kavle, Treasurer; Mr. Narendra Kumar, Executive Member; Mr. Sandeep Arnikar, Executive Member; Mr. Salim Khan, Executive Member; and Mr. Ganesh Bhandari, Admin Head. Our vision is to inspire, inform and influence the global MEP engineers community, supporting technology innovation to meet the needs of industry. Our values: at MEPA, we believe that our vision and objectives could only be achieved through strong core values. Our values include responsibility, honesty, ethics, trust, fairness, equality, accountability, transparency, respect, and quality. Our objectives: we have two types of objectives: objectives for individual and objectives for corporates. Objectives for individual: job opportunities for individuals, technical support with advanced technologies, knowledge sharing, motivation to become entrepreneur, upgrading individual discipline. Objectives for corporates: platform to showcase firm or products, business opportunities, MEPA certification, opportunity to reach globally, and standardization. Training: the aim of the course is to give a better exposure to its members on the subject MEP services. The concepts, ideas and techniques is being utilized in MEP services are indispensable in construction industry. Training and guidance is essential for development of individuals. Hence, the main focus on the workshop is to introduce fundamental concepts in MEP with special emphasis on practical problems and design consideration. We conduct training workshops. We have an association with Dr. D.Y. Patil International University to offer MEP certification course. How to register with MEPA? An individual or corporate can register through our website www.mepaworld.com, or one can download MEPA Android Play Store app and iOS App Store app and register themselves. Path forward: skill development for MEPA members by providing customized training program, newsletter, corporate directory, blogs, e-learning MEP courses, MEPA standards, Periodic members meet. Seminars, webinars, smart classrooms. Tie-ups with reputed companies for providing skilled and customized MEP engineers as per industry requirements. Country-wise MEPA chapters. Tie-ups with institutions for knowledge sharing. Our sponsors are Platinum sponsors, Carrier Air Conditioning and Refrigeration Limited. Our gold sponsors are Geberit Plumbing Technology India Private Limited, Willow Mather and Platt Pumps Private Limited. Our silver sponsors are Victolic, WTE Infra Projects Private Limited, Earth Care Equipments Private Limited, FS Fabricators, Shriyansh Engineering, Reliable Industries, Vision Systems. Our bronze sponsors are SNK Denmark, Jaguar Lighting, Supreme Industries, Cosmos Sahara Elevators. Our corporate members are Minsun Infra Projects Private Limited, Environ Recycling, Classic Electric, Listen Lights, Specialty Initech Private Limited, Integrated Consultant, Lighting Edge, RP Engineering, GP Lights, Adarsha Plastofab Industries, Naido Sanseram, Rakmi Technologies, Aditya Infra Safety Solutions. Contact us or corporate office 101 by 2 by 3 Wiltech House, Kharadi, opposite Zensar, en route Eon Cells, Pune 411014, India. Phone number +91 -20 270 11122. Email info@mepaworld.com. Website www.mepaworld.com. We are available on Google Play Store and iOS App Store.